In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes on Google Drive. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable way to add notes to your files by using comments in Google Docs stored in Drive. This is perfect for reminders, feedback, or clarifications that sit right next to the text they're about. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your files live so you can access your Drive without interruptions. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher, and it opens a panel with all your Google tools in one place. From that panel, click Drive. Your Drive home opens, showing recent files and folders. Navigate to the document you want to annotate and open it in Google Docs. Comments in Docs behave like sticky notes that attach to specific words or phrases, so this is the most precise way to leave a note on content stored in Drive. Inside the document, select exactly where you want your note to apply. Click and drag to highlight the word or phrase you want to reference. The highlight ensures your note is anchored to the right spot, which keeps feedback clear for you and anyone who views the file. With the text still highlighted, right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Comment. A comment box will appear along the right margin, connected to your selection. This is your note space. Type your comment or note clearly and concisely. Be specific about what you're pointing out or what action you want to remember. If your note contains sensitive details, keep it high level and avoid sharing private information. The goal is to make the message useful at a glance. When you're ready, click Comment to post it. Your selected text will be marked, and the note will appear in the sidebar. Anyone with access to the document can see it, and it stays linked to that exact text. Drive and Docs save this automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the apps grid, expand your browser window, or ensure you're on the Google homepage. If comment doesn't appear in the menu, confirm your text is highlighted first. And remember, comments live in the margin, making them easy to review, reply to, and resolve later. That's it. Your note is added and ready to keep your work organized in Google Drive.